Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 beautiful hotels nestled amidst magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So let's start my video. 10 beautiful hotels nestled amidst magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Summary: discover a world of luxury and history at hotel nestled with UNESCO World Heritage Site. Immerse yourself in culture and natural wonder. From Romeo's Palazzo Manfredi with the breaking views of a Colosseum to Australia, Longtude and 131 with glamming tents overlooking Uluru. These hotels promise unforgettable views and experience. People explore a world of beauty and explore history in Questi hotels nestled amidst a aspiring UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing history and culture. This exceptional. Past here are 10 beautiful hotels nestled amidst magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Site. Palazzo Manfredi, Rome, Italy. The stunning hotel Palazzo Manfredi is situated right next to the Colosseum. The view from here extends across the entire historic site, touching far beyond the iconic structure itself. Many rooms offer design views, but the Colosseum a grand view. Juniors should boost the can't go wrong if they are seeking UNESCO site views. Accommodation: Palazzo Manfredi address. Via Lapicana 125 184 Rome. Amenities: restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, fitness center. The emblem Peregue Hotel Peregue Czech Republic. The hotel is strategic location, merely a short 10 minutes drive from the iconic Peregue Castle with the enchanting history center with the nursery vault and the charming bright dating option on the continental breakfast menu. Accommodation: the Emblem Hotel address Paltranesca 110 Peregue region. Amenities: spa and wellness center, restaurant, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi. Longitude 131 Ulara, Australia. In Australia, Bhopal traditional from a modern architectural wonder, a UNESCO list on a natural ancient marvel. Uluru, formerly known as Ayers Rock with the protect Uluru, transformed throughout the day. Accommodation: longitude 131, address Ulara Drive, Ulara NT 0872. Amenities: restaurant, free Wi-Fi, air condition, mini bar. Oberoi Amar Vilas, Agra, India. The Oberoi Amar Vilas, Agra, nestled a mere few hundred yards from the Taj Mahal, is a luxury heaven that one can't help but fall in love with in irrespective of the view. The Taj Mahal, a marble crafted elegance, white marble and symbol of timeless love, great city. The Oberoi is an unforgettable and enchanting experience. Accommodation: the Oberoi Amar Vilas, Agra. Address: Taj East Gate Road, Agra 28,201 in Agra. Amenities: outdoor pool, restaurant, bar, lounge, free parking. Marriott Mena, Mouse, Gaza, Egypt. Cairo is a city brimming with the activities and attraction, but the Great Pyramids are an district with must-see of any first-time visitor travelers. Imagine walking up a draw back their curtains and having this aspiring this relatively modern extension of the hotel offers views that leaves them breathless. Accommodation: Marriott's Mena House, Cairo. Address for 6 Pyramid Road, Giza 12,556. Amenities: outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, bar, lounge. Hotel Rubensel, Skamwenga, Germany. From Australia Natural UNESCO site, the pupil ventured the fertilized castle that inspired forest spread belief in the rest in the range, mountain range extending Czechia and Poland. Accommodation Hotel Das Rebus Sand. Address AM Alperd 7031 87 645 in Chagyu, Bavaria. Amenities outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi. Four Seasons Hotel Sydney, Sydney, Australia. Shifting from ancient monument of the modern UNESCO World Heritage Marvel, a Sydney Opera House of Shelled its support on the special list in 2007 nestled near circumscribed and a storm throws the way from the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the Four Seasons Sydney Hotel. Glistening against the backdrop of Sydney, mesmerizing a natural harbour. Accommodation Four Seasons Hotel Sydney. Address 199 Gorge Street, Sydney, NSW 2000. Amenities outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi. Idyllis Château de Versailles, Le Grand Control, Versailles, France. The place of Versailles is not only a UNESCO site but also one of the France's major attractions, beckons visitors with the opulent beauty of the rich historical tapestry, its immense scale and sprawling garden adorned with various residences, the quaint Fox village of Mary Antoinette, the boating special association. Accommodation Le Grand Control. Address 12 Rue de Independence, American 78,000 Versailles, Evelyn's amenities indoor pool, bar, lounge. Hotel de la Site, Sarkonos City, France. Visitor can southern France to the often memorized by the away inspiration Fortnite city for a rampage themselves. Accommodation Hotel de la Cité, Sarkonos Am Gallery. Address Place Auguste Périou, Point 1100 Square. Order amenities outdoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, business center. Four Seasons Hotel Gresham Place, Budapest, Hungary. While staying on the ground of the single castle in the indeed the pupil behold the entire city castle quarter from a bedroom window and exceptional that the allure of the stunning art in every Four Seasons Hotel Gresham Place, Budapest, gracing the bank of the Danube on the sea side, the Hungary capital. People picture themselves reveling the romantic oasis, sailing with their trip and discovering the many trips they had hidden in the hotel's architectural, whether they chose to get the music floor, the lift, and numerous other places. This tiny hut garden, the hotel adding the touch of the romance of the history. Accommodation Four Seasons Gresham Place. Address Zechny Itman Atar 56 Budapest 1051. Amenities indoor pool, spa and wellness center, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi. We hope you like the item. We recommend it and discuss the travel has affiliate and sponsored partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।